Hi, and welcome back to this platform. My name is Marjorie Nantambi, your personal growth and finance coach. In case you're joining us for the very first time, you are welcome. We are talking money in this quarter. In the last quarter, we talked about vision boards. How do you set your goals? How do you achieve your goals? And all those things. And in case you want to join us on the vision board mastermind, click the link in the description. Join us and see how to set your goals, dreams, and actually achieve them. Today, we are still talking about money. And in case you missed, we talked about how to make the money, how to keep the money. And today we are talking about how do you grow the money? That is, how do you invest your money? Sometimes you have the money and you're like, oh, I need to invest, but how do I start? And then sometimes you think to invest money, you actually need a lot of money. Sorry to let you down, but you do not actually need a lot of money to start saving. I have my notes here, and we are going to just say what are some of the tips that you need to know when you want to start investing your money. So even before we get into that, remember, like I said in the last video, the only money that is yours is the money that you keep. And after keeping this money, it is important for you to then invest the money, because sometimes people tell me, oh, I have a bank account, I put my money there. But guess what? When they call you with an emergency, or your child is sick, or your mommy is sick and all that, you go to the bank account, withdraw the money and then spend it. So that's not saving, or that's not investing your money. When you put your money on your bank account, you're actually just postponing expenditure, right? So now we want to see, how do you actually invest this money? And I'm going to be sharing some of the tips here, because when we talk about investing money, yes, the money comes in, you earn your salary, or you get money from your business. And remember, if you're a business owner, you need to pay yourself a salary. Business money is not your money. That's why we get it wrong. We think, oh, I've started this business, it is my business, so business money is my money. And that is where we mess up. That's how we mess up our businesses. So you need to differentiate your personal money from your business money. And how do you do this? If you're an entrepreneur, if you're a business owner, pay yourself a salary. Because if you don't pay yourself a salary, whenever you have an emergency, you just go to the business drawer and then pick the money and use it. And that's how you mess up the growth of the business. So you need to pay yourself a salary. So when the money comes in, we have what we call a wealth cycle. And in the wealth cycle, you earn the money, you get the income, and then after earning the money, you go down to the saving. Remember, I talked about the 20%. I don't know, how much are you saving? Which percentage are you using? Put it in the comment section. Let us know what is working for you when it comes to saving money. So after saving the money, get an asset. It is important. Do not leave your money just on your bank account. Get an asset. That is a way of investing your money. But still, when you get to the asset, do not end there. When you get this asset, maybe it's land or it's a car, then you need to look at your cash flow. If you have this asset, maybe you have a piece of land, is it making you money? Because if it's not, then we have what we call the good assets and the bad assets. If it's not making you money, that's a bad asset. Yeah. So when you get this asset, then you need to know, how do I make money from my asset? And that's how we've seen people with land, maybe renting it out to a farmer, or putting maybe a washing bay and things like that. You have your asset and it's making you money. That's what we call the cash flow. So do not end at just acquiring the asset and say, oh, me, I actually have 10 acres of land in the village. It's not making you any money. So you have to find ways. If I have this asset, how do I make money from it? And to some people, their phone can be an asset. Why? Because it's making them money. Now for you, if you just use your phone to just chat away, be on TikTok, Instagram, and just have fun, then it's a liability. But you can use the same phone to actually make you money. And I'll share a video on how you can actually make money using your phone. So if you want to see that video, subscribe and hit the bell button, because we shall share that video as well. Back to the investment. What are some of the tips that you can look at when you want to start investing? We have the first one here, and the first one is, you need to know your asset class. So when you talk about asset class, you need to know, what do you want to invest in? Do you want to invest in the short term? Do you want to invest in the long term? And we have different investments when we talk about that. You can say, okay, short term, maybe the bills, the bonds, and things like that. Or maybe if you want long term, that's how you go into real estate, buy land, start building, and things like that. So you need to know, where do I want to invest my money? And then the second thing, you need to have a goal. What is your investment goal? Do not just invest because you see everyone else is investing. Or still, do not just save money because everyone is saving, because that's how you end up spending the money. When you have a goal, it helps keep you motivated to even achieve the goals that you want to achieve. So that's the second thing. A third thing, before you invest, get enough knowledge about whatever it is that you want to invest in. Because if you have the knowledge, then you won't fall for the get rich quick schemes. Yeah, when you put money here, you get times 100 and then you put your money there, you will lose your money. I've been a victim there. I don't know, let me know if you've also been a victim of a get rich quick scheme before, because we all love money. Yeah, so I've been a victim and I burnt my fingers, toes as well. But I learned my lessons. Yeah, so if you've not yet, please do not fall for them. Because if you have a goal and then you know you have enough knowledge before you invest, do not just trust your friends that, oh no, me, I put my money, put your money here, it will actually work. Get enough knowledge before you invest. And then you need to have a strategy. How do you want to make the investments? Also, it is important to know, what is my risk profile? Do you want to invest in the high risk or you want the low risk? High risk, it could be a business. Low risk, it could be like maybe real estate and things like that. And also, if you want me to explain this deeper, please leave a comment in the comment section asking any questions. Like I said, this quarter we are talking money. Put any question about your finances, about money, about businesses, and I'll definitely be here to reply to all of them. And then definitely you need to know your profitability. Are you looking at the high profits? Are you looking at getting your money out or leaving it for the long term? Like I said, you need to have your investment goal. And then lastly, make sure that before you invest, like I said, you have enough knowledge. I cannot say that enough. You need to get enough knowledge before you invest in anything. Do not be carried with the crowd. Oh, we are putting our money here, and you also carry all your money into that place. And also, the last tip that I can share, you can start now. Do not wait to get to 50 and then start investing. You can actually start investing with your 10,000. You can buy shares, you can buy stocks, you can buy bonds, you can join a group investment, or you can join an investment club. Whatever it is, start saving some money today. And do not forget to subscribe, because like I said, we are sharing about money and you don't want to miss the next video that goes up. Put any questions in the description, and in case you have any questions about money, put them in the comment. And don't forget to follow me on my different social media platforms, on my Instagram, on my Twitter, on my Facebook, Margarine Nantambi. Drop your questions there and I'll definitely be here to reply to those. Like I said, we're at Ibamba restaurant next to Uganda Museum. You can come in, take maybe a glass of juice, have your lunch, have your breakfast with your friends, come have your parties and events here as well. Like you can see, it's time for me to have my lunch here at Ibamba. So see you in the next video. Bye.